All right, guys, let's see what we got going on today. I'm gonna go ahead and install the sway bar link on the front. Go ahead and get that put together. Let's see what we got here. I think that's part of the brakes that I got. Still plenty of stuff to get put back together, cleaned up. Get the splash guards on, get this rear wiper on. Pull that off. I need to find a cover for that thing too, so I need to get a junkyard run. But and then up next I gotta replace this handle, see if I can get that dent popped back out, replace the actuators. So let's go ahead and get this tire off, and we'll get that splash guard on the front too. One thing I'm enjoying about these flip sockets is I just put it on this 1/4 inch drive handle. I have accessible, 8 and 10 mil. It's always ready for me. I think we'll use this big boy today. Take these wheels off. What do you say? All right. Easy enough. It's always fun using this thing. It's just an immense amount of power. But tell you what, I've been enjoying this cart. I mean, had this for years now. It's got these folding trays, plenty of workspace. Alright, let me get this tire out of the way. So, if you're curious, here's the Hyper Tough light. Plenty of lighting, so there's that. We're gonna run the 3/8 stubby. Let's see if I got the right socket or not. Nope. Right back. All right, 17 mil. So let's see what we got here. Let me get a thin wrench on there. Running this Duratec thin wrench. Hopefully it'll catch onto the strut right there. Oh yeah, so it was pretty corroded on there. But we got that sucker off. All right, so I couldn't get the impact to fit on this side, on the bottom part of the sway bar end link. So got this 16 inch or 17 inch half inch drive gear wrench. So I'm gonna see if we can get this off. All right, let me get both hands on there. I was able to start breaking it loose. It is on there. Let me get some WD-40. As much as I have power tools, ratchets, impact wrenches, sometimes just can't get in there with them. So you gotta go old school and get the ratchets out. But I mean, I'm really impressed with these gear wrenches, especially the half inch. They are beefy, 90 tooth. And this is the flex head. I mean, you see how wide that fork is. So you get plenty of power and leverage in this thing. So, comfort grip, doesn't wear down the hands. So, really good. I think that one was done for, but you see how corroded that thing was. All right, so we got the new sway bar end link in. That's nice and tight. The fastener sizes are different on these aftermarket ones. The original OEM ones were 17 mil. These are 19 mil. Well, obviously you use some grease fittings. So these are good. Only thing left to do down here is I'm put the splash guard on, get that on there, and we'll be good to go. What's going on, guys? So I posted on my Instagram page last week asking if anybody went and did the Black Friday shopping. Got a ton of hell yes. So just wanted to share what I got. So picked up this Gorilla ladder, 22 foot, 159 bucks from Home Depot. I have a telescoping one, but it only goes up to 16 foot. So I needed one taller. So I got that thing. Works great. Then we'll come back over here. We'll start getting into the goodies. Did a lot of Cyber Monday and Black Friday sales. So this is one item, the SETI extraction and fill pump. This was only 9 bucks. Use these are great. Cool brake fluids, power steering fluids, just whatever. But I don't like to mix them, so I always have a separate one. So the two I have right now, I think I've already pulled power steering and coolant from the reservoir. So I'll leave those for that. I'll probably use this one for brakes. All right, next item up. Power steering pulley kit from ABN. This one was $16 on Amazon during Black Friday. So I grabbed that. We'll go ahead and get it opened up. In this case, you want the part numbers right there. ABN 2183. And there's all the pieces. Alright, put that to the side. Picked this up from my truck. It's a big red 4-ton bottle jack. Part number right there. This one was going for $19 on the Cyber Monday sale. So it comes with the case. And obviously you can adjust the height. Alright, then the last of this batch, I got some more stuff that still haven't delivered yet. This was going for, I believe, $65 on Amazon. This is the Craftsman V series metric wrench set, 12 point. And then it is the 12 piece, goes from 7 all the way up to 19 mil. Come on. Okay, folds open like that. Now the reason I got this set is for my tool tote, my mechanic's go bag, had that wrench ring set. Now that one actually is originally for my junkyard bag. So I wanted something that was portable, had a lot more sizes, and something with a little bit better wrenches too, especially working on other people's vehicles, just not technically not my own as well. But the wrenches I had on there were the gear wrench ones. But the only thing is that on the catch with that is I hate pulling out of my own, I guess, toolbox wrenches that I'm taking out of there, especially from a complete set, and having the potential of either losing it or whatever. Now the one in the junkyard, I keep my also tool ones. I don't really care too much for those, and now I made a review on those before. They actually scored the lowest out of all the wrenches I own, the different brands. In terms of tolerances, they actually had the lowest, despite them being the most expensive one I have. So, like I said, it's just something, I wanted a good reputable brand. Now these are actually very similar to the Mac wrenches and the Falcom wrenches. And if you actually look at the style, design, we'll pull them out, and then as well as the organizer, they're very similar to each other. So come on. So it's got that I-beam design to it. Nice, smooth, rounded, flat surface up here. Rounded edges. So I do like this design, especially in the Mac version, but I didn't want to pay the Mac prices. The Falcom ones, I'm sure I'm probably messing that name up, Falcom. They're a little bit pricier than these, but I got these because they're on sale for one, and then two, they came with this organizer, and of course Stanley Black & Decker owns all three of them, so hence the similar designs. So this one will actually go in my mechanics go bag. So that's the reason for that. So we'll find a slot for them, figure out how to reorganize everything. But whether they go inside here or inside the main compartment, that's still to be decided. But I wanted something portable, easy to organize, look down and see that, okay, I'm missing this wrench, or whatever, or, you know, have it folded out like I did earlier and stick it back in the slot. So that's why I got that. So, all right, that was just a quick video of what I got so far. Obviously Amazon's delivery service isn't the best right now because everyone's ordering. So I still got some other stuff that's coming in, and then I'll get those posted up. All right, take care.